Hi guys, if you're looking for a simple but meaningful handmade gift, this one's for you. Today, we're making a beautiful ribbon flower card that is perfect for Mother's Day or any special moment. With just a few ribbons and a little creativity, you can make something really special. For this tutorial, I'm using polka dot satin ribbon in 1 cm wide. My yellow gold ribbons are cut to 8 cm. This will be for the center flower, while my light pink and purple ribbons are 7 cm long, each for the side flowers. We also have green ribbon for the stems, one longer piece at 15 cm and two shorter ones at 10 cm. And we'll have smaller green ribbon cut to 7 cm for our leaves. Now, let's start and see how all of these simple pieces come together. To start with, I'm using Vellum paper. It's 200 GSM. It's a bit thicker and sturdier than regular paper. It's perfect for making cards. This is size 8.5 by 11 inches, or roughly around 22 by 28 cm. First, we will fold the paper in half to form our card. We'll be using hot glue for this project, so just make sure yours is heated and ready. Now, let's attach our first stem, the longer one. I'm placing it right in the center. For the stem, you can also use other materials like yarn. It works just as well. Just apply the glue first, then gently place your yarn on top. Now we'll start making our flower petals. I'll begin with the yellow gold ribbon since this will be our center flower. This is our one petal and we'll need 8 pieces. Now we will attach each piece to form a flower shape directly onto the card. We will attach the other stems. Now, let's move on to our next flowers. For the light pink, we also need 8 pieces, and the same goes for the purple. We will repeat the same process, forming each flower and attaching them to the card. our leaves, we'll need 4 pieces of green ribbon. We will lightly heat seal the ends so they don't fray. Now it's time for the flower centerpiece. I will be using white pom-poms. It's about 1.5 cm in size, but you can get creative in here. You can use flat back buttons, pearls, or rhinestones depending on what you have on hand. And finally, I have a small piece of felt fabric that I'll use as our flower vase. And that's our finished ribbon flower card. It's simple but so meaningful. If you'd like to see another version of this using paper strips and paper glue, which is a safer option for kids, just let me know in the comments below.
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft